Sine law is a trigonometric law that you can use to solve for any side or any angle of any type of triangle. It doesn't have to be a right angle triangle. We start by labeling the sides. So capital letters for the angles. A, B, C, and then lowercase letters for the sides. And the way the law works is there's an equivalent ratio between the side length A over sine of angle A, that's equal to B over sine B and C over sine C. And we can use this law when we're solving for a missing side or angle as long as we have one complete ratio. So you're going to be looking to see that there's at least one full ratio and one other piece of information. So it could be maybe just a side, for example. So that would be 3 out of 4. Let's try some examples. So in this case, we are missing the side x over here. We will set it up by using the pair that we already have complete. So we have capital C and little c. So we're definitely going to need those. And side x is little b. Therefore, we'll need capital B as well. All right. So let's fill in the values. We have 8 over sine 35 equals x over sine 60. Okay, and you can see in this situation we can just cross multiply. So x will be equal to 8 sine 60. They're across from each other, so cross multiply. Divided by sine 35. And it's easier to write this all in one step on your calculator so that you don't have to round or make any errors rounding. At the end, we will round to the nearest unit, just like it is in the question. So you multiply 8 sine 60 divided by sine 35, and you get approximately 12 centimeters. And that's it. You're done. For the second example, you'll notice that x is actually an angle, and it's angle B. So we're definitely going to need the ratio that includes B, but we also are looking for the complete pair. So angle A is 40 degrees and side A is 22 degrees. So we want A over sine A, that's the complete pair given, equals B over sine B, because we're looking for angle B, and then we will fill in the numbers. 22 over sine of 40 equals, equals side B, which is over here, 27 over sine B. Okay, now we're going to cross multiply again. So the variable, or the unknown, is sine B. We'll keep that together, and we will cross multiply these two and divide by 22. So it'll be 27 sine 40 divided by 22. So sine B, when you type that all into your calculator, 27 times sine 40 divided by 22 is approximately 0.7889. So what I've done is I've rounded to 4 decimal places. That's the standard when you're using trig ratios on your calculator. And then because this is an angle, you remember that we're going to need to do sine inverse 0.7889. That's how we undo sine B. And your calculator actually gives you 52 degrees. I just want you to be aware of one tiny thing. If you look over here in the picture at the size of angle B, it definitely looks like it's not an acute angle. Now that we know that each acute angle has a related, each obtuse angle has a related acute angle, we will use this information, because the calculator normally gives us the acute angle, but we'll use the information to answer the question. So if I want an obtuse angle, I need to calculate 180 degrees minus 52, which gives me 128 degrees. So 128 degrees is the answer to the question, not 52. But we use the 52 as the related acute angle to find the obtuse angle that answers the question.